Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to get your EXPRESSVPN coupon. And it's really simple. So you can get this in their website actually. So the EXPRESSVPN coupon code is not really given away, but you can actually find it right here when you search for EXPRESSVPN coupon code right here, and it's going to be one of the sponsored deals already right here, so you can claim the exclusive deal. So once you actually go in, you see right here 2 years plus 6 month free for $4.99 a month. And that is a steal deal compared right here. So the discount applied is called Black Friday 24, and you can get this savings with a 7-day full access with trial now and pay later. So you can start with this right here, and you can get the best Express VPN coupon code right here in their own website. So this will vary from time to time, of course, but right now the best deals are actually on their website itself already. So you don't have to go to other coupon code finders, and you can actually just find it right here in ExpressVPN itself. So the discount is called Black Friday 24 again, if you didn't know. And there you go, guys. That is your ExpressVPN coupon code.